The MAT66 ProBlack Sound Deadener is a highly efficient solution for reducing noise in vehicles thanks to its innovative butyl and foil composition. With an impressive thickness of 80 mils, this sound deadening mat offers enhanced insulation performance, making it 1.5 times more effective than many alternatives. Its lightweight design, weighing only 0.5 pounds per square foot, ensures that it does not add unnecessary weight to your vehicle while still providing optimal sound insulation. The self-adhesive nature of the MAT66 ProBlack makes it an ideal choice for do-it-yourself enthusiasts looking for an easy installation process. A unique feature of this product is its embossing indicator, which confirms correct installation when the foil becomes smooth, ensuring professional-grade soundproofing results. The convenient sheet sizes make cutting and installation straightforward, allowing users to easily tailor the material to fit various vehicle configurations.